Hello, and here we are for another episode of Barney Army TV. Here we are in France, where we're starting the trip off as, finishing the trip as we started it, with fucking rain. And allow me to demonstrate what us three plonkers did this morning. 1, 2, 3. We decided to put our towels out to dry when it decided to absolutely thunder it down with rain. Follow me. Now look at it. Soaking wet. Mark, please demonstrate yours. Please avert to Mark. Although his is not as bad as mine, it's still bad. And Seb's is dry a little bit, but it's definitely not as bad as mine. Well, that's another rendition of Barney Army TV. No night.